I'm so glad that you downloaded this free document to help you make a really, really important decision around your business, around do you stay at your company, do you leave? This is not an easy decision. I know, I've been there. And so I'm going to give you some tips on just how to work through this process so that you can make the best decision for you. The first of all is to check in with yourself as this opportunity arose. How did you feel? How did you react? How did you respond? Were you curious? Did you reject it right away? Like, how did you instinctively feel when this came up to you? Check out all of the information, okay? Number 2, check out all of the information. Like, do your research, go to the website, search for things, have conversations with people in this company. Pay attention to how you feel after you have these important conversations. You're going to hear me say this again and again. Check in with yourself in how you're feeling through this process. And then go back. Number 3 is reevaluate your current situation. Really take a hard look at it. Could you stay and be happy? Could you make it work? Have you given it all that you possibly can? And then number 4, check in with your energy. How are you sleeping? Are you eating? When I was making a really difficult decision, I wasn't sleeping, I wasn't eating because I knew that this was important enough and I knew what my decision was. And so therefore, I already started to have some anxiety. Number 6, this is probably the most important one. Take some time to be quiet and to be still. We're never slowing down. We're always trying to get input from other people, from social media, from books, from mentors. Really take some time, journal, and just be still. Number 7, are there fears coming up? Pay attention to those fears. They're there for a reason. And maybe do something different. Write a letter to those fears and let them know how you really feel. And get that part of the conversation over with. Address the fears head on. And then now what's going to come up after? Okay, you've made your decision. So now you are in the, oh my God phase. I'm doing this. It's really hard. Are you freaking out? And my answer to you is it's okay if you are. So lastly, you've gone live, you've gone public. How do you feel? And from the bottom of my heart, congratulations. I know how big this is, and I'm proud of you.